Learn the secrets to make. Hey everyone, are you ready to learn the secrets to making your home stand out in today's competitive real estate market? Well, stick around because today I'm going to share with you the game-changing strategy that savvy sellers are using to sell their homes faster and for top dollar. So before we dive in, make sure you hit the like button and share this video with your friends who are looking to sell their homes. And don't forget to subscribe to my page for more valuable tips and tricks. So today we're going to talk about home staging. Home staging isn't just about making your home look pretty, which it will definitely do that, but it's about creating an irresistible first impression that captivates potential buyers from the moment they step through that door. It also helps in boosting perceived value. Did you know that stage homes typically sell for a higher price compared to their non-stage counterparts? That's because staging helps buyers envision themselves living in the space, leading to increased perceived value and willingness to pay more. And one of the things we're going to do with staging is we're going to highlight key features. So with strategic staging, we're placing furniture and decor to highlight the best features of your home while minimizing any flaws. It helps buyers visualize the potential of each room, making it easier for them to imagine themselves living there. So we also want to create memorable online listings. So in today's digital age, first impressions, they often happen online. Stage home photographers, we want to photograph our homes in the most beautiful way possible, making your listing stand out among the sea of competitors, and it attracts more potential buyers to schedule a showing. So there you have it, folks. Whether you're selling a cozy condo or a sprawling estate, staging is the key to unlocking the full potential of your home sale. So if you're ready to maximize your profit and minimize your time on the market, reach out to me today to learn more about the power of home staging.